Recording in progress.
Okay, hi everybody, and welcome to AnantaX, to this module, which is a little bit different. So, just a quick story. So, when I got in life, I was working and I was introduced to this incredible world of network marketing. I saw this as a vehicle that's going to lead me to freedom, and I worked like a dog. I did everything they told me. I had ups and downs. I had successes. There were some failures. I made some money. It didn't last. So there was a whole bunch of stuff. So anyway, but yes, my truth. I love the concept of network marketing, but there is a challenge. So for people that's in network marketing, you've done a bit, you've grown a team, you're doing volume, you're doing okay, and you don't want to give it up. I'm here to tell you, don't. Don't give it up. So this module is called Why AnantaX has no competition and why every network marketer needs it. So I'm going to say some things that's going to make you turn your head. Anyway, so this is the growth room, AnantaX at 8 o'clock on a Monday night, where we talk about growth, where we talk about things that's going to help people develop better. Now, it's obviously part of AnantaX and part of the AnantaX Academy. First, a disclaimer. AnantaX and myself is not opposed to network marketing, multi-level marketing, or direct selling. We respect these industries and the people who work hard to build their businesses within them. In fact, Ananta was created to support and enhance the lives of entrepreneurs in those fields by reducing monthly expenses, adding real-life benefits, and providing additional income, should they choose to, opportunities without, listen carefully, interfering with their primary business commitments. But for entrepreneurs, first-time individuals looking into this kind of arena, AnantaX also offers a unique pathway, a benefit-driven vehicle with no direct competition, designed to deliver meaningful value and strong results in a much simpler and faster way. AnantaX is a prosperity ecosystem. It is not a competing company. So the purpose of this is to equip now AnantaX leaders. We don't call ourselves leaders. We are trailblazers with a strategic understanding, language, and mindset to confidently position AnantaX as the only prosperity ecosystem product out there. There's nothing like this. There's never been. Completely different from MLM direct selling and any product-based company. By the end of this module, Trailblazers will be able to explain the following: how the MLM direct selling industry works, why churn. Now, I told you I love words. So churn is a term for what percentage a business or a company is declining or losing members or growth. That's what that means. I love that word. Frustration and competition are built into MLM. And here's a big one. Why do members hop? Why do they jump from one company to another company? Because that's one of the biggest concerns that I had. We were building, and then all of a sudden something happens. But anyway, we're going to handle that. Why Ananta is structurally different and not in competition, and why every network marketer will benefit from adding AnantaX to their lives. And also how to present AnantaX as a category of one, which means there's only one of this. There's nothing else in this. So kind of understand the MLM or the direct selling landscape, the industry. So what is MLM? It's a company that sells its own products. So, it's usually nutritional, cosmetic, household, cleaning stuff, whatever the case might be. Now that's been expanded into all kinds of stuff, the online space and all of that stuff. So distributors earn on product sales and recruitment. The model depends on constant volume, constant motivation, and constant recruiting. They can fight with me as long as they want. I know I've been there, same as most people listening to this. So why does MLM have so much pressure? Firstly, MLM is a performance industry. If people stop ordering, they stop buying, or they stop recruiting, the income drops, teams collapse, and the leaders simply move to another company because they've lost their team. And they hope that in another company, it's going to be different. But the basket is the same. The challenges are the same. So company have to introduce new products and new kind of stuff for the compensation plan to survive. So the result is high turnover, constant switching, leaders chasing the next better thing, competition between companies, and pressure on families and finances. When I was building hard, big, and fast, that's what I found. Anyway, so MLM works. The concept works, but it is unstable. So why do members leave? The biggest reason people leave is I call it the compensation plan syndrome. They swap, they move because somebody showed them a more powerful compensation plan. And then here's the thing, people believe that their team is their team, and if they jump, people are going to jump. Some do, but not everybody does. Other one is product fatigue. If the same product is sold everywhere, people lose interest. I've been with a company that sold up to date, probably the best, most powerful immune booster product that has ever been created. But over the last 20 years, that company is basically gone because of new bling. Anyway, highly monthly spend. This is huge. Auto ship requirements that drain you. Been there, done that. Online competition. This is a big one. People might sell whatever they sell, and then you've got this online stuff like Takealot, Amazon, Timo, whoever, that's got a similar product a lot cheaper. I mean, I was amazed to find people buying, that I found in the shops, buying, for example, nutritional products that were in a company that are selling nutritional products just because of price. And here's the thing, the lack of predictable results. Income, listen carefully, depends on team behavior, not personal control. And then obviously here's another big one, is the compliance fears. People worry if their company is really legal, because if you go into Google, you got this guy saying that, and this guy saying that, and this one saying that, because they want to make that one look bad and make people jump. So people worry. Is it sustainable? Why Ananta-X is in a completely different category. This is the heart of this module. Ananta-X is not MLM. It's not direct selling. It's not product selling. It's not auto ship based. It's not dependent on retail sales. And it is not a competitor to any company. So what is Ananta-X? Ananta-X is a benefit club, a prosperity ecosystem, a monthly life value platform, FSP aligned, compliant system, savings, benefit, and wealth builder, a rewards program from the club to the members with recognition and incentive. It's a plug-in system that supports every other business. This is a place where 400 Rand gives you real product and measurable value every single month. Why not Access? It's got no competition. It's not a product-based compensation plan or platform. There's no, we don't have, and there's not another groceries. There's groceries. There's not another tutorship. There's tutorship. There's not another funeral. There's funeral. There's not another this, that, what we have is the basics. No one else offers what we have: groceries, funeral, travel, emergency, education, call the teacher, free last will and testament, property rewards, future add-on, old accumulation. No single company can even try and compete with all of this. There's one or two that's tried. Good luck. Anyway, for the FSP oversight, the credibility is huge. So while most multi-level marketing companies are under constant fire, constant, you can go to any MLM or direct selling company or network marketing company, go and Google them. There's some, with all due respect, idiot somewhere saying something and it pops up on social media. And for the life of me, I could never understand why people would trust a source that's got nothing to do with the industry. It just blew my mind. But people, what they print in the paper must be legal. Anyway. So members don't have to choose. With an Hunter X, it's only sorry, I forgot to put that word, but it explains opportunity that does not require people to leave their current business. Doesn't matter. You can be an MLM, direct selling, insurance, real estate, medical, digital agency, traditional business, and you can plug Ananta X on all of them. Ananta X strengthens other business because members get tutoring for their kids, emergency support, travel savings, grocery value, and very soon the gold building wealth part and a lot more. This improves their life stability, which makes them better entrepreneurs wherever they are. So why Ananta network marketers must love Ananta X? Because Ananta X solves the top 3 problems or challenges that every network marketer faces. The first one is monthly pressure. The solution, 400 Rand, gives them value even if they do not recruit one other person. The value, the package, the product is powerful enough. Number 2, lack of stability. When somebody enters Ananta X with what we have, benefit and saving and the gold coming, it is consistent. I will never leave Ananta X. Doesn't matter what else I do. I've got my savings. I've got my funeral. I've got my health. I've got my short-term insurance. Very soon I'll have some gold. I'm having this. I'm having that. Why am I leaving? It'll be worse for me to leave Ananta X than to stay a member. Problem number 3 is team duplication. Now, with Ananta X, the 5-step system, the presentation, the WhatsApp structure, that gives them an edge, because it is not a company like others where you have to kind of come in, and they train you to death and all this kind of stuff and stories and, vitamins and supplements, and you got to be special, become a specialist on this product and that product and this one lost. No. The 5-step system is just about questions. I'm going to get to that now. So Ananta X gives them something that no network marketing product can. And it is a stable life, an extra income, and no competition with their primary business. So how Trailblazers should present Ananta X as a add-on. Ananta X does not replace what you're doing. It enhances it. So we focus on the value, not on the hype. We show people the real benefits. We start by asking a question. Now, here is kind of the updated one. If I could introduce you to a system that helps you cut costs, build an extra income, and grow wealth in gold each month with 0 risk, would you take a quick look? The other thing is we stay compliant. We never promise any guaranteed income. We focus on the benefits, the savings, if they want more, the rewards and the duplication. AnantaX has got 10 core benefits, of which the income is one of them. Just one. This is kind of a message from me to the world. We are not competing with your company. We have created a new category. It's called a prosperity ecosystem. AnantaX is for you and your team, networkers, business owners, entrepreneurs, and family, because of the value that we will add to your life and your family's life every day, every week, every month. And that is why we uplift you as a member. And that is why AnantaX has no competition. So Trailblazers action step. Number one, master the message. What is the message? You need to explain the difference in 1 minute. What is the difference? AnantaX is not your competitor. It is an add-on product. We need to know the 5-step system, and we need to do it daily because consistency wins every single time. If you go back into the history of network marketing, the guys that got to the ladies and gentlemen that got to the top of the top of the top, all of them has the same message. I didn't stop. When other people did this, I did that. When they did 2, I did 4. When they did none, I did 10. It's just volume. Anyway, we need to invite using the step 1. That's how we invite. If I would you. We're not pitching people, Now, it doesn't happen to me a lot anymore, thank goodness for that. We just get this WhatsApp from somebody. Hey, jump onto the Zoom, warra, warra, and then they give you this like 400-word model on story. I'm out. I'm not even interested. But if somebody asks me that question, doesn't matter where I am. If somebody asks me that question, so they're going to talk about cutting costs, which I'm in. They're going to, if I was in network marketing, they're going to say build an extra income. I might not immediately look at that. They're going to mention grow wealth in gold. I'm in. With zero risk, I'm in. And take a quick look, I'm in. Now, obviously, the new videos will be updated as soon as we can. So just some final thoughts. With this knowledge in mind, we can literally talk anybody. So we don't have to kind of categorize people. Yeah, I'm going to talk to that one. They are doing that business, and this one is involved in that, and that one is doing this. It doesn't matter, because now we know that we are not the competition. We are not trying to get people to jump ship. When people understand that, it is going to open up a whole new world for them. I'm involved in XYZ company. Great, stay there. But look at the add-on. That's it. AnantaX is the ultimate add-on, because we've got less fear of rejection, because I'm not your competition. If I start talking to somebody, I'm going to ask them the question. I say, I'm involved in this and that. I'm going to say, well, great, that's wonderful. We don't want you to move, but we're going to add a product to your life that's going to empower and stabilize you and your family's life. Because it's all fair and it's all transparent. Now, I've done some research. There's about 1.3 million people involved in multi-level marketing or network marketing in South Africa. Now, if your mindset is to go and compete, you are immediately excluding 1.3 million people that will not move. They will not join something else. They won't even look at you, because they, like we were, have been brainwashed It's only this company, and da-da-da-da, and sturdy, sturdy, and you don't, da-da, sturdy, sturdy, what. Because those companies are fighting like crazy to keep their people. So they will do everything and anything to make sure that their distributors don't jump ship. And we don't want them to. They don't have to. So that means the whole market is open for us. If you understand, which after this, I'm sure you do, that we are not the competition. So if somebody's saying, so how do we explain it to somebody in a minute? This is easy. Well, there's no problem. We don't want you to move. This is the perfect add-on product for you and your family's well-being. How can anybody say no to that? I've said it before. There is going to be thousands and thousands and hundreds of thousands of people that will be joining Ananta X when they understand this, that we are not the enemy. We are there to help, empower, complete, stabilize, make their lives easier. So this is our growth room talk for tonight. I'm going to stop this recording. We'll have a quick chat, and then we'll take it from there. So I'll send this out to the group. So if you know anybody that is in network marketing, please send them this video. But start with a question. Start with, if I could share a video with you, if you know that they're involved in network marketing or multi-level marketing, say, if I can send you a video to have a look at that is not competing with you and your business, we do not want you to leave your company, but it's a perfect add-on to what you are doing. Would you take a quick look? And I'm going to guarantee you all of them are going to say yes. So I'm going to stop this. We'll have a quick chat.